In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a callback in the Wise app or web portal. If you need help with your account and would rather speak to someone by phone, Wise may give you the option to request a callback directly from their support section. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find that option and complete the request clearly and quickly. To begin, log into your Wise account using either the mobile app or the web portal. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile or use different devices. Once you're logged in, take a moment to let the home screen fully load so all support options appear properly. Next, go to the Help Center or the Contact Us section. Depending on whether you're using the app or the website, the wording or placement may look slightly different, but the goal is the same. You want to open the area where Wise handles customer support requests. If you don't see it immediately, check the main menu, account settings, or the support area usually found near the bottom of the page. After that, select the issue category that best matches your problem. This is important because it helps route your request to the right support team. For example, you might choose a category related to verification, a transfer, or your account. Try to pick the closest match rather than choosing something general, since that can make the support process smoother and more accurate. Once you're inside the correct category, look for the option that says Schedule a Call or Request Callback. Keep in mind that this feature may only appear during active business hours and may only be available for certain supported account tiers. If you don't see it, that usually means the option is not currently available for your account or at that moment. If the callback option is available, select it and review the details carefully. You'll then be asked to confirm your contact number and choose your preferred available time window. Make sure the phone number is correct and accessible, since that's where the support team will try to reach you. It's also a good idea to choose a time when you can answer without interruptions. Once everything looks right, submit the request and wait for the scheduled callback. That's all it takes to set up a Wise support call through the app or web portal.